Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate data collection with Typeform, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing in to your Typeform account. Navigate to the dashboard and click on the Create Typeform button. Choose a template that fits your data collection needs or select Start from Scratch. Customize your Typeform by adding the questions you need for data collection. Use various question types such as multiple choice, short text, or rating to gather the desired information. After finalizing your questions, click on the Design tab to personalize the appearance of your Typeform. Ensure the form is visually appealing by selecting colors, fonts, and images. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the Connect tab to explore automation options. Integrate Typeform with tools like Google Sheets, Zapier, or Integromat for seamless data collection. If using Zapier, create a Zap to connect Typeform with your preferred data collection app. Set the trigger as new entry in Typeform to initiate the automation process. Then, choose the action app where you want the data to be collected, such as Google Sheets. Map the fields from Typeform to the corresponding columns in your chosen app. Test the integration to ensure the data is flowing correctly. Once testing is complete, turn on the Zap or integration to start automatic data collection. Share your Typeform link or embed it on your website to start receiving responses. Monitor responses in real time within Typeform in your connected data collection tool. Regularly check the submissions and make any adjustments needed based on the data collected. Continue refining your Typeform and automation settings to improve the effectiveness of your data collection over time. By following these steps, you can successfully automate data collection using Typeform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.